Francesca Cabrera.
So, ako si Gabby, and for me, it's easy to judge, and it's easy to be judged din. So, gusto ko lang may makaintindi sa akin. Sana naman may...
Ay, pagtingin talaga, ha? Sa kanyang
Hello
karakter.
guys, my name is Patrick from Vision and my character is ako si Pogs dito and ako ang magiging mortal na kaaway dito ni Gabby. That's it.
Maraming salamat at kilalanin naman natin ang next. We have another charismatic guy to add layers of kilig and depth to my favorite liars plot, athlete and a digital star, Kobe Francisco.
Hi, Babe! And Arian. It's me, Paolo pala. I'm Kobe Francisco. And sa series na to, ako yung maging best friend ni Pogs. Ayan, tapos ako yung magpapakinig kay Arian. Yeah! Ako magdadagdag din ng hotness sa series na to.
Ay, iba naman. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kobe. At syempre, let's keep the sweetness coming. Completing the cast of My Favorite Liar, we have social media star Angela Balagtas.
Hello po! Good afternoon everyone. I am Angela Balagtas and I am Aria's best friend and I love making people feel welcome. So lahat kayo, welcome kayo sa buhay ko. Ikaw. And yeah, ang binibigyan ng character ko is like good vibes lang talaga. Ganon. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.